Hey everybody, it's Sam here. So as promised, I've got a 6x6 version of the bridge zigzag concertina bridge card that I've made. If you've missed this one, this is the 5x7 version. So when I made this one and showed the tutorial, which will be popping up now, I said I would revisit it in a 6x6, but show you how you can have your bridge piece in a piece of cardstock and just a bit more simplified. Or if you want, you can have the whole panel with acetate. So you can take this design, put it on the 6x6, or you can take this and use it on the 5x7. So you've got lots of options now on how to decorate it. But today we're going to show you how to make the 6x6. You can see it just folds down into your envelope and then it will just naturally bounce up and it just stands, and it's got such a lovely profile. It displays really nicely, and then you've got your space on the back to write your message. So let's get started. So if you've made the 5x7, it's very, very similar. So you want two pieces of 12x6, and along the 12-inch side, you want to score at 6, 8, 10 and 11. You want to do that on both pieces. You'll then want this piece here, which is for the bridge piece. This is 5.5 by 4, but you can have it any width along here. You want it to be the 5.5, but this can be as tall as the card, so it can be 6 inches, or it can be anything under. You can have a very thin strip if you want to, and then build up on that. And along the 5.5 side, you want to score at 3/4 and 4 3/4. Okay, you then want to fold both pieces so you have something like this. So you've got your large 6x6 panel on the back, and then if you look at it this way, I've got a valley fold, a mountain fold, a valley, and then finish with a mountain. You want to make sure that your 1-inch panel is folded so your fold line is facing inside the card and the open side is on the left. So do that with both pieces and just give them a good burnish on all of those score lines. You want a nice bounce, and then you're going to stick one over the top. Doesn't matter if you stick the left over the right or the right over the left, it's entirely up to you. I'm just going to grab my glue. Make sure that they're nice and flush with each other and it all folds down into that 6x6 size. Okay. I've then got these pieces here to decorate. So this is a piece of 6 by 5 3/4. I've kept the full height of the card like I did for the 5x7. I thought it looked quite nice having the whole piece covered and then just a little bit of a white edge on the outsides there. And then I've got two pieces here, and these are 1 3/4 by 6. Again, when you lay them down, they cover the top, but you get that nice white trim, and I think by having that, it helps break up the print and show off the design of the card. So you want 2 of that size. And then I've got 2 pieces here, which are 3/4 by 6. Don't stick those ones down yet, because you want to add this panel next. I'm going to stick these ones down. So now with the panel, you might want to stamp directly onto this, but I've got this piece here and then the topper from the pack. You get all these different toppers, and I've already gone and cut mine out all in the paper pad. I don't think I showed this one. So it's the Summer Tropical Birds. I've got very little sheets left now, but I have got all these toppers. So I've gone for the Friends Make the World a Beautiful Place. So I'm going to stick those down, and they are 3 3/4 squared, and then I just trimmed this so it's 3.5 squared. So with this piece, you just want to make sure that you fold and burnish the score lines there. I've just done mine both ways. Okay, and now this is going to sit, this section, the 4x4 section, will fit perfectly in between these two folds. So you can then just stick those sides down. You can see what will happen is it will all come out like this. Okay, now if you want to, you could have it lower down, like a bridge fold card, higher up. So again, entirely up to you. I'm just going to run some glue all down there and down this side. Push that all down and just make sure that sits in between there. Make sure everything's flat, and that way you know it's going to fit in your envelope. I've done it so I've got 1 inch from the top and the bottom, so it is bang in the middle there. Okay, and you'll see that will start to hold it. Just keep it down for a minute until that glue's dry. And then I'm just going to stick these ones down, so they will go right to the top and the bottom, but you'll have that white frame and they will cover up the join from the bridge piece. And there's the finished card. You can see that just springs out nicely. You've got all your space on the back to write your message. So just do a layer of, I'd maybe do black for me because I've got that black background there on the paper, 5 3/4 squared, and then a white piece that's 5 1/2 squared, and then stamp, you know, thinking of you or anything that would work with that topper there. But yeah, really nice. So I'll just bring this one back in. So whether you want to go for something detailed or the 5x7 size, then, and using the acetate, then you can create this look. But if you just want something very quick and easy, this took literally 15 minutes to do. So really, really fast, but both look really nice. So yeah, so I hope that's helped you out there. And those of you that prefer 6x6, you can just use the acetate on this one, like I said, and yeah, lots of ways to do it. Thank you again for watching. All the product that I've used will be linked in the description box below, and I'll be back again very soon. Take care. Bye.